Hi friends, in this video let us see how to find HCF of two numbers. HCF of two numbers is the highest common factors of the given two numbers. First, we will see what is a factor. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. For example, if we multiply two numbers 3 and 5, we get 15. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Now we will see some important points we should remember while doing factors. First point is the number 1. The number 1 is the smallest factor of every number. And the second point is every number have a minimum of two factors, that is 1 and then the number itself. Third, a number that has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called as prime numbers. Coming back to the factors, let us see some examples. Let us take number 8. To find factors of 8, we need to list each number which gives 8 when multiplied. That is, starting from 1, 1 into 8 gives 8. Next, 2, 2 into 4 gives 8. 3, 3 doesn't have any multiple, so this doesn't come. And then next number is 4. Then we already have 4, 2 by 4, that is 4 by 2, which gives 8. And we don't have any other number after that to give the factor of 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and the number 8 itself. Similarly, let us take another number, say 18. And now starting with 1, 1 into 18 gives 18. And then 2 into 9 gives 18. Then 3 into 6 gives 18. Then 4 doesn't have any multiplication factor, and 5 doesn't have anything which gives 18. And coming back to 6 we already have here 6 by 3, which also gives 18. So the factors here are 1, 2, 3, then 6, and then 9 and 18 itself. Why we learned factors is to learn how to find HCF, that is highest common factor. Now let us find the HCF of two numbers. Find HCF of 12, 18. HCF means highest common factor. To find HCF, first we have to find the factors of 12 and 18. Factors of 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. And next 18, 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, then that's all. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So first step is factors, and second thing is to identify the common among the factors. Common, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the common factors here are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now HCF, the highest common factor, is highest among these, that is 6. So HCF of 12 and 8 is 6. So we have to find factors, then common among the factors, and then highest among those common factors. Let us see another example. Find HCF of 18 and 27. Now writing the factors of 18, that is 1 into 18, 2 into 9 and 3 into 6. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, then 9 and 18 itself. Coming to 27, 1 into 27, 2 into doesn't have anything, then 3 into 9 gives 27, and then that's all. So the factors are 1, 3, 9 and then 27 itself. Next common, 1 and then 3, then 9. The common factors are 1, 3, 9, and now the highest among the common is 9. So the HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. If you don't want to factorize and find the HCF, we can do it by another method like this. For the same example, 18 and 27. So let us take the common divider, that is let us say 2. 27 is not divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 2, but 27 is not divisible by 2. Now let us take the next number, say 3. 6 3s are 18 and then 9 3s are 27. Both are divisible by 3. Then again finding for 6 and 9, 3, 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. That's it. So let us take these two numbers. If you multiply these two numbers, we will get the HCF. That is 3 by 3 gives 9, which is HCF of 18 and 27. Let us take another example, say 24 and 36. And taking 2, 12 and 18, then again 2, 6, 9, again 3, 2 and 3. So multiplying these three, 2 by 2 by 3, which gives 12. So the HCF of 24, 36 is 12. Now a special case, HCF of any set of prime numbers is always 1. Say for example 3 and 5. 1 into 3 and 1 into 5 for 5. So the common factors are 1 and 1, and that is the HCF. So any prime numbers, any set of prime numbers, HCF is 1. That's all with the video for highest common factor, that is HCF. If you have any questions, please comment, and thank you for watching.